see this place right here? And let's see, it's right here. Awesome burritos. Probably the best burrito. It's a better burrito than Chipotle's and all these other chains put together. Excellent, excellent burrito. So, Flying Eagle in Wichita, Kansas. Probably the best burrito you'll ever eat. Also, the burritos are so large that you're not going to eat the whole thing in one sitting. So the old trucker trick that most of us already know, right? You wrap that burrito back up in the foil, set it on top of your valve cover, right under the in the engine compartment there. Open the hood, set that bad boy right on top of the valve cover, and it'll stay nice and warm for the next time you're ready to eat, right? We already know that, right? Right.